2022 paper 2 GCE on Earth geometry. In the diagram below, M, L, and K are points on the surface of the Earth. Take pi to be 3.142 and R to be 3,437 nautical miles. Part 1. Determine the difference in longitudes between points M and K. Between points M and K. So Loma numero 1. They want us to find the difference between point M and K. So we are going to check where the letters are coming from. So the letters are coming from the circle of latitude. So the difference will come along the circle of longitude as the question is specified. So we have to check the longitude where M is, which is 48 degrees west. Then K, it is 32 degrees east. So the two longitudes are coming from different hemispheres. So we need to add. So we are going to have 48 degrees plus 32. So now 48 plus 32. So 8 plus 2 we are getting 10. 4 plus 3 we are getting 7 plus 1, 8. So the difference is going to be 8 degrees. We go to question 2, Loma numero 2. Calculate in nautical miles the distance between part A, M, and K. The distance between M and K along latitude 8 degrees north. So they want us to calculate the distance between M and K. So we have to see where the equation is coming from. So the equation, it is coming from the circle of latitude, which is the small circle. So now for the small circle, distance is calculated by, so MK equal to theta over 360 then 2 pi r cos theta. So that's the formula. Along the circle of latitudes, you have to add cos at the end, except on the equator, because equator, it is the great line. So now we have to identify theta, which is the difference between the two longitudes, which we have calculated from the previous question. So where there is theta, we are going to replace the difference we calculated. So it is going to be MK equal to theta, which is 80 over 360 times 2 times pi 3.142 times radius 3,437 cos angle. So the angle, it is the latitude given, which is 80 degrees north. So this is the angle we are going to use. Which is 80 degrees. So now we have to punch these. So at this stage you have to get your calculator then you punch everything on your calculator. So mine, it is giving me 833.4. Now to 3 significant figures. So our distance is going to be 833 nautical miles. So the SI unit should be the radius you have used. If you have used kilometers, then SI unit should be kilometer. If you have used nautical miles, your SI unit will be nautical miles. Okay, let's now go to part B question. Calculate in nautical miles the distance between K and L. K and L along longitude 32 degrees east. So that's part B. They want us to calculate this distance, KL. So now this distance, it is coming from the Great Lines, along the Great Line, which is the longitude 32 degrees east. So now what is the formula? So in the Great Lines, the formula used is theta over 360 2 pi r. So whenever you're asked to calculate distance along the longitudes, including the equator, you have to apply this formula, which has no cos. Where theta represents the difference, so we are going to calculate the difference between the two latitudes. So we have 80 degrees north and 85 degrees south. So we need to calculate this distance, this difference, so that we can replace where there is theta. So say theta equal to 80 degrees plus 85 degrees. So theta equal to 0 plus 5, it's 5, then 8 plus 8, it's 16, which is 165. So 165 is the difference. So it will be KL equal to 165 degrees over 360 degrees times 2 times pi 3.142 times radius 3437. So we have to punch these numbers on the calculator. So when we punch on the calculator, we are having 9,899.13. So we are going to round off this figure 1, 2, 3, which is going to be 9,900 nautical miles. So we are done with all the questions. For more questions, clarifications, you are free to comment on my video. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have enjoyed this video. This is Mr. Mrenga E. Thank you.